Thousands lined the streets showing off their Latino flair in Southwest Detroit today. This is the 60th year for the Cinco de Mayo parade and celebration, and the rain did not hold the crowds back. So people we spoke with today say it's all about showing pride in their Latino community.
We got a pride going on. No matter how much ice is sent out, no matter what the president says, we're going to stay here. We're going to come back every time he sends us out. And Viva Mexico.
We got Mexican pride, and every Hispanic is welcome here. Every Hispanic is welcome here. We're here for everybody. We speak for everybody. Everybody's welcome. We have pride, and we have pride for everybody. Not just some people. Everybody. Everybody has rights. Everybody's welcome here. We're cousins. We're brothers. We're sisters. Everybody's here, and we welcome everybody.
Good stuff there. So the holiday itself celebrates Mexico's victory over the French army at the Battle of Puebla in 1862.